Hey, Will here. I just wanted to show you inside the gift store operating system what you can do as far as actions go. So the whole point is we want you to be taking actions that actually make sense. And the actions are based on, number one, is there actual demand for products? Because if there's no demand, don't even bother making the products. And the demand comes from the back end internally where we have a database of keywords and search volume and competition numbers that's currently over 100,000 different keywords that represents a bunch of different products that you can put onto your store. So when you come into the main page, the main dashboard, you'll see like what should I focus on today? And the first thing you should do is go to actions, which is view suggested actions you should take to grow your store. So you're going to click this and you're going to see at this time of year, the seasonal opportunity is Father's Day for gifts. So what we do, and this page will vary over time as it improves and we add more features. But right now, what it did was scan. It knows your store. It knows what you have on your store, and it knows what the demand is, and it knows what kind of it needs in order to generate blog posts automatically to get you traffic. So all that back end stuff is calculated and done. And then it comes up with 3 actions for seasonal. And the first one is create a funny Father's Day mug because there is a lot of demand for it. So if you come in here and you see this, it helps us fill a gap, product gap for a Father's Day mug. So what it's saying is the system wants to create a blog post titled like Father's Day mug, but it can't because there's not enough Father's Day mugs on your store right now. So it's telling you to go to your store and create one. And when you create it, the way that we will know that you created it is this Shopify Action Tag right here, this weird little looking GSC Action 54. You will copy that and you will paste that into the tag on your Shopify store for that product. Click save over there. The system will see that and it will attach this action tag, which has a whole bunch of other tags attached to it, and it will tell the system that, okay, that person created that mug for that action. So now all we need is like basically 2 more at this point. So we need 3 in order to create the post. So it's saying there's another one. You can see the action tag incremented, and then another one. So the system scans everything. It also looks at your preferences and says, can this person, have they ever created a mug before? So when you first join, the first thing you do is enter your preferences. And one of the questions is, what product types have you created before? And then a follow-up of what product types have you never created? If you've never created like a mug, it's not going to tell you to go make mugs. Okay? It's going to focus on the products that you know and you have created. So if you've never created a mug and you want to create mugs, well, then you go back to preferences and you change your preferences to reflect that. So I'll just show you real quick here. Just go back to the dashboard and we go down to preferences. And right here, what can you already create? So I have mugs checked. If I didn't have mugs checked, then my actions would not tell me to create a mug. For example, I said in here, what products have you never created? I put blanket, hat, tote bag, pillow, journal, and poster. So even though there is demand for those, because you personally have never created one, the system knows that and it's not going to suggest that you create one. So it's all tied together that way, which is very, very cool. We want the actions right here to actually make sense for you and your situation. So the current focus on the seasonal side is Father's Day. That's the big push right now at this time of the year. That will change depending on the time of year. And then Evergreen is birthdays. So if I scroll down, there's the 3 Father's Day actions. And then for birthdays, it's saying these product actions help fill the product gaps needed for pillar and supporting blog posts. In other words, we want to write blog posts and we want one to be titled Birthday Gifts for Her. Okay, so what we're suggesting is create one funny birthday for wife t-shirt. So it's got to be funny. It's kind of from the husband. It's a birthday t-shirt and it's for the wife. So once you do that, so you go do your research, you go create the design, upload it to wherever, like Printify, publish it to your store, add that tag right here, this 57 tag, add that whole thing to the product tag on your store. Now the system knows you did this one and it will update. And then it will know, okay, mark that one done automatically. And then it'll say, it's saying here, okay, we need 3 though in order to create this blog post for you automatically. So birthday gifts for her is another one we need. Same thing, create another one, and then create another one for a girlfriend this time. So this one is birthday gifts for girlfriend. We want to create that blog post for you. So what we're doing is we're saying we will handle the blog post creation. We will handle inserting your products in there. We just need the products to insert. So that's what actions do. Actions are designed to fill in blog posts so that we have enough that we can generate them. And we'll generate one main one, and then we'll have a whole bunch of supporting ones for a blog post. So every day that you log in here, you'll see basically the actions that we want you to take. You go and do the actions, then you use the tag to basically, the system will know automatically, hey, they did that action. It will update and it will give you another action. So it's like one step at a time, one product at a time. From your point of view, all you really care about is, what do I do today? And the system knows you, it knows your store, it knows the product demand, it knows what posts you have, it knows what posts it wants to create, and this page just basically says, hey, for example, Will, go create these, and then we can do our job. So that's the simplest way I can explain it, but the golden rule is this: we're not going to tell you to create any single product for any single event with any single angle, emotional angle for anyone or from anyone if there's no demand for it. So that demand side is already taken care of for you. We've got that internal database, which is growing every day, like by leaps and bounds. And that is real data. That is real buyer intent. And those are people that are going to, in this case, going to Google and they're typing in like Father's Day mug. So what we're saying here is our goal is to get you to create this Father's Day mug. And then when people go to Google and type that in, we want your listing up here on the first page. So like right now it's Zazzle, then there's an AI overview, and then Amazon, Shutterfly, Indigo, Pinterest, Printer Picks, Happy Hooligans. We want you like right here with your blog post so that somebody's on Google, they're typing it in, they see that. Actually, right up here with Etsy, we want to take over like Etsy spot and Amazon spot on these search results, because people type in Father's Day mug, what are they looking for? They're looking for Father's Day mugs. If they see your mug and they see your listing and they can click through and go to that listing directly from here, or to the blog post which has Father's Day mugs on it, you're going to make sales. So that's the whole point of the system. But basically all the complicated stuff is behind the scenes. Your job is log into the dashboard, go to actions, and just create. So all that other heavy lifting is done by us. Anyway, if you have any questions, let me know. That's just a basic summary of the action section of the gift store operating system for you.